power, you can do it all. God of miracles, nothing is impossible to you, to you, to you. Lord of glory, you reign in majesty. My Redeemer, no one can set me free but you, but you, but you. To whom shall I go? To whom shall I go? To whom shall I go? You have the words of eternal life. God of power, you can do it all. God of miracles, nothing is impossible to you, to you, to you. Lord of glory, you reign in majesty. Our Redeemer, no one can set us free but you, but you, but you. To whom shall we go? To whom shall we go? To whom shall we go? You have the words of eternal life. To whom shall we go? To whom shall we go? To whom shall we go? You have the words of eternal life. You have the words of eternal life. You have the words of eternal life. Jesus, you have the words of eternal life. Oh my Lord, you have the words of eternal life.